How to get $160 Bestbuy promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in Bestbuy promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Best Buy. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. 10% off, 40% off, $700 off, $100 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you are interested in and want to use it. Just click on See Details. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Best Buy, log into your account, make your purchase. While you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of Redeem at Best Buy. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Best Buy. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase. While you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code. And with that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Over here, you're going to find tons of offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Best Buy. Well, this way you can easily get up to $160 Best Buy promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.